Hey, y'all heard. Cooter having a party.
Did I just hear Cooter's having a party?
Supposed to be a pool party. Tried that all-body deodorant. Didn't work.
I heard about the party. What the heck is that smell? Black. Did something die over there?
Brah, my full-body deodorant only works on my feet. So I'm cooling off. Stop tripping.
Why you so extra? You got a whole lake right in front of your face. Take a bath. Dang.
That is Gator water. I'm not on the menu. Just let me chill. I ain't bothering you.
Help! I'm frozen in funk.
Bruh, take your frozen butt to Disney then. Leave me alone, dang it.
Y'all. Stop tripping.
Can't move.
OMG, this idiot.
I'm a frozen in funk idiot.
Stop. Just stop. I think the party is BYOB. Bring your own bark. Here's some.
You guys talking about Cooter's party. You know it's in the turtle zone. Turtles only.
Well, that's a bunch of turtle soup. I spent all day getting ready.
I hear it's poppin'. I got another 2 hours walk to get there, and it's only 5 feet away.
Get off my tail. It's not that type of party.
Well, if you weren't twerking so much, I wouldn't run into your tail. Don't twerk.
Hey, Cooter, this party's really poppin'. Thank you so much for asking us to come. Mike, hey, don't worry about it. It's all good. I want everybody to have some fun. Y'all just flip your flippers and get down and have a party. Where you going?
I'm just going over here to get me some space. You know, I'm a loner.
I done told you before, get off my back. Well, stop twerking! Oh, I can twerk if I want to. I'll twerk over here. Bye.